What if I told you, your rice cooker might be ruining your grains with sticky mush or crunchy undercooking? We tested 15 top models, cooking white, brown, sushi, and even quinoa, and the results will shock home chefs. One highly rated cooker burned every batch, while our number 3 delivered fluffy, perfectly separated grains every time. If you want restaurant-quality rice without the guesswork, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. Aroma Housewares Rice Cooker. The Aroma Housewares ARC 914 SBD rice cooker is a multifunctional kitchen appliance that can cook up to 8 cups of cooked rice. It features 4 preset digital functions, an automatic keep warm mode, a 15-hour delay timer, and an 8x bonded granite non-stick inner pot. It also comes with a steam tray, rice measuring cup, and serving spatula. Customers have praised its small size, easy-to-use programming, and fast cooking time. Number 2. Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker. The Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker and Warmer is a 5.5-cup computerized rice cooker with advanced Neuro Fuzzy Logic technology. It features multi-menu selections, automatic keep warm, extended keep warm, and reheat cycles. The spherical, non-stick inner pan allows for uniform heating, and the LCD clock and timer make it easy to use. With menu settings that include white, regular/sushi, softer or harder, mixed, porridge, sweet, semi-brown, brown, rinse-free and quick cooking, this rice cooker can make every rice type imaginable. It measures approximately 14 by 8 by 9 inches and comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Number 3. Zojirushi Rice Cooker. The Zojirushi NSTSC-10 rice cooker is a high-end appliance that offers restaurant-quality rice with near zero effort. It features micro-computerized fuzzy logic technology, a capacity of up to 5.5 cups, and a clear-coated stainless steel exterior. It also has an automatic keep warm, extended keep warm, and reheating cycle, as well as 2 delay time settings. Customers have praised its ease of use, easy cleaning, and superior quality of rice. Number 4. COSORI Rice Cooker. The COSORI rice cooker offers 18-in-1 functionality, precise temperature control powered by fuzzy logic technology, easy-to-clean accessories, bright LED touch display, clear measurement marks, and healthier surfaces. This rice cooker also includes a recipe book featuring 30 chef-created recipes and a free VE Sync app for finding more recipes. The 5-core capacity is perfect for cooking rice for the entire family. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Rice Cooker. The Hamilton Beach Rice Cooker and Food Steamer allows for maximum cooking versatility, including rice, whole grains, hot cereal, seafood, eggs, and vegetables. With a removable non-stick pot, it can feed a whole family with up to 8 cups of cooked rice. The one-touch cooking with pre-programmed options and countdown timer ensures perfect results every time. The versatile 2-in-1 steam/rinsing basket is great for rinsing rice and steaming seafood or vegetables. It is perfect for one-pot meals and making homemade fried rice and shrimp with rice. So, which rice cooker will you trust with your grains? Steam your thoughts in the comments. If this perfect rice review upgraded your meals, click that like button, it helps us test more. Want more kitchen tech truths? Subscribe, next week we're testing air fryers. All our top picks are linked below. Cook with confidence.